Welcome back to Great Day Medical Monday. Houston is home to the world's largest medical center, and we have several hospitals, clinics, and senior living care facilities all over the city. So what does that mean? The Help Wanted sign is always up. Whether you're just now thinking about college or looking for a second career, the College of Healthcare Professions can graduate you into a job. Joining us with the various degrees of training from the front office to the operating room is Eric Bing, the CEO of the College of Healthcare Professions. Good morning.
It's great to see you.
All right, let's start with how this whole thing started, because it really speaks to the commitment to putting great people into the community.
Well, it's an exciting story, and the College of Healthcare Professions is celebrating its 30th anniversary this year. And we were started by the McGregor Clinics in the Texas Medical Center, and today we are the largest Texas-based statewide provider of allied health graduates.
You had a lot of medical professionals saying, look, we want people to graduate from school ready to work, knowing what to do, and that's kind of the core of the curriculum.
Absolutely, and what's happened is we've expanded so much. You know, we're now in Houston, Dallas, Fort Worth, Austin, San Antonio, McAllen, an online campus that covers the rest of the state and 47 other states. And the reason is that we have so many different programs that we want to offer, and in healthcare there's so many different things you can do. You can do clinical things, you can be a surge tech, you can be a nurse, you can do radiology, sonography, but you could also do medical coding and billing, for example.
Yeah, because we had actually one of your graduates who had said at one time, she goes, I can't stand the sight of blood, but that's okay. You don't have to deal with blood, right?
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, all right. So those are just an example of some of the things that you can do. Also, how you do it. You're keeping up with today's times. There are a lot of folks who just can't get down to campus every day of the week, so you've changed how that works too.
Absolutely. This is another really exciting, innovative move that we've made. Over the last 2 or 3 years, we've invested a lot in developing blended curriculum. What blended curriculum is they only have to come to our campuses 2 days a week. Our students are incredibly busy. I mean, these are single moms, people working multiple jobs. They're having to take care of a loved one. They can't come into a traditional college setting. So what we have is 2 days a week they're in, the rest is online, but we also wrap all those services around them to make sure they can be successful.
Yeah, there's something else that you all do, and not everyone's going to go to the four-year university off somewhere. And what you're doing is you're reaching that group of people. They want employment, they want a career, they want a job, but might not fit into that traditional mold. This way, you're in disadvantaged communities where they can actually access that employment.
Yeah, that's one of the things that is so exciting about the College of Healthcare Professions. We really have two customers. We have our students, these aspiring professionals, and then we also have the employers. But with the students, so many come out of disadvantaged communities that don't even know these careers exist. For example, who would know about surgical technology? It's not all what you see on ER and medical coding and billing and all these different programs that we have. And so what happens is we work with our partners to help these individuals learn about programs. And a good example here is with Houston Independent School District. We work with the Momentum Academies. Actually, Mayor Turner is involved in this because they wrap around health and human services. We do a lot of career readiness and education, and then these students can come into our schools. We've got Milby, Wheatley, Cashmere, all these schools come to our campuses to learn about programs, to learn about professionalism, because that's the other thing, is if you've come out of a community where you really haven't been in professional settings or had that opportunity, we can give them that opportunity of helping them learn so they can be successful as they have these amazing careers.
And the other thing that makes them successful is you have faculty that's very experienced, very well versed in what they're teaching.
Definitely. We have significantly passionate, hands-on faculty and administrators. And I will also say this is you know, this is our 3rd year we've been named a top workplace in Houston. And for me, that is really a proud moment because it's showing the types of folks we have that are helping our aspiring professionals, but also our healthcare providers who are our customers. Because let's face it, we all want to make sure we have great people taking care of us as we age. Now, you're young, but I'm old, so, you know, I care a lot more about that.
He's fooled. It's just that black don't crack. That's I'm old. But all right, so there are a lot of folks out there right now, I know they're going, sold. I want to do this. But the problem that's standing in the way for them is affording it. That, too, you can clear.
Well, definitely. First of all, we have financial aid for those who qualify, but we also have scholarships. For example, we have a military scholarship that is you know, when you look at the people who've been out there serving our country, making a difference, healthcare is a great career for them to integrate back in. We have a
They already have a
tremendous
heart of
amount.
service. Yeah.
Absolutely. And a lot of them have been doing healthcare in the military. We have an American Dream Scholarship because that's what we're doing. And then also we have all sorts of partnerships. For example, in Central Texas, we're partnered with the Ascension Seton system, which is the largest healthcare system in Central Texas. We then also work with the nonprofits in these communities, and we're providing joint scholarships, pulling people out of these communities into our colleges, and then the Ascension Seton system is putting them right into careers in their system.
Graduating into a job.
It's the whole piece.
Yeah, all right. To learn more about the College of Healthcare Professions, you can call this number right here. It's 800-487-6728, 800-487-6728, or visit chcp.edu. And again, financial aid is available for those who qualify. Thank you very much.
Thank you.